Time to change the drain on my central pneumatic compressor. So this is, couldn't find the exact one, but what I'm hoping is that this is quarter NPT. Put this on there, and now we have a valve, which is kind of nice instead of this metal thing going on here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what's going on down there. There they are, side by side. Left is the Harbor Freight one, and then the right's from Amazon. And I got the threads all cleaned up in there using my little Dremel. And let's go ahead and screw that on there. See how well it holds. So I literally just turned the compressor off last night because it was leaking through here, like slightly, but you can hear it. And yeah, by the time I came home from work, it was already all empty. So let's see how well this holds up. Drain valve is on there. Yeah, that's just all the sealer that was on the that came with it. So yeah, what I like about it is this. I mean, it's nice and easy to turn off and on. But that's on, I guess. That means it's shut down. So we'll go ahead and fill it up with air. See what happens. There you go, guys. Holding steady. And there you go. Listen. Nothing. Perfect. We're good to go.